Today's topic is diary writing. If you feel you don't know how to write a diary entry, don't stress over it. You can start writing about anything. Once you start getting words out, they will flow naturally. Don't forget that the diary is just for you and it's not for public reading. It's a kind of a personal document. It records an individual's account of a day of his or her life, and it's a great way to keep track of your past and think about your future. Let's see how a diary is generally written. There is no strict format of diary writing, but there is the one which we generally follow. The top left corner, we write date, day and time, and tenses used are simple past, present perfect and future, and it is always written in first person. Then comes the salutation, dear diary, and we begin the entry with a general sentence describing momentary feelings, and we conclude with a final remark or course of action. This is how it actually looks like. Just remember, while writing a diary, just try to be as honest as you can. It's a sample question for you. You can feel free to pause the video and read it thoroughly. When you feel you're falling short of words, just use these phrases which can help you while greeting the diary, recording an event, who was with you, where did it happen, and expressing your feelings. We had so much fun, I was excited, I hated, I was annoyed. And also interacting with the diary in different manners. Can you believe it? Do you remember? And expressing your feelings. All in all, it was great, I felt awesome, fantastic, and then concluding with your name. How many emotions humans have? Actually, they rule us, but there might be a word for that particular day. So now you know how to describe your mood while writing a diary. Keep writing. I have picked some awesome phrases to be used in different circumstances while writing a diary entry, and these phrases can be very useful for you in the long run. You can also find the link for the same in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.